How to redeem code on Microsoft Store. Hello everybody, if you guys are wondering how you can do that, you may follow the steps in order to do so. So for that, what you can do is first thing is go ahead and open up Microsoft Store in your account, in your device. Just go ahead and search for Microsoft Store and open it up. And then once you open up Microsoft Store, you will be finding this interface. The next step you can do is you may just go ahead and look out for your profile in the top right corner from the given interface and then click on it. After that, you should be finding redeem code or gift cards option on your screen. Just go ahead and look out for that from the given menu and open it up. And all you gotta do is enter up the 25-character code from your card or anything for your Microsoft Store and type it in there. And that should just go ahead and click on next and redeem the card. And that is it. You may also follow up the same process in order to redeem your code for Microsoft Store. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.